Hello, friends. I have a book today called Flip, Float, Fly, Seeds on the Move. So it tells all about different seeds and how they move and how they grow and where they are. Take a breath and blow on a fuzzy dandelion. Whee! One puff sends seeds soaring. Like small, soft feathers, they parachute up in the sky. I'm sure that you guys have done that before too. Did you know that each little fuzz on a dandelion is one seed? So when you blow them off, you send out a whole bunch of seeds into the air. Maple seeds whirl and twirl in a breeze. Flip, flutter, float. The wind lifts them up and off of the tree. Away they fly like shiny green helicopters, spinning and spinning. Tumbleweed plants grow as round as globes. In autumn their stems snap off. On the flat open prairie they roll, 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 sprinkling their seeds as they tumble. See if you can look close. You see all the little seeds coming off. Basswood tree fruit clusters twist in the wind, dangle and dance. In winter they drop, like sailboats they glide on the smooth, slick snow. So that's what they look like in the winter time, but this shows you what they look like in the spring and the summertime. Locust tree pods look like long brown smiles. They dry, split open, and curl apart. Carrying seeds, each side scoots along, sliding on slippery ice. Skitter and skate. Seeds bump off along the way. Where water flows, it can carry seeds. Even a raindrop can wash tiny seeds away. Splash, swish, splatter, scatter. The air inside a coconut helps it float. Bounce, plop. It drops into the ocean and drifts away on the waves. If you look at this picture, that's the outside of the coconut, the fruit wall, and on the inside, it has a seed. Some seeds move on their own. Poke a touch-me-not sea pod and fall. Plop, fling, the pod explodes. The seeds are flung. Surprise! A wild oat seed curls up in the sun like a comma. The seed straightens out when it rains. Wiggle, jump, one way then the other. It works its way into the ground. Animals move seeds around too. A bat finds a feast in a fig tree and wings away with the seeds inside. The seeds pass through its body unharmed and fall to the ground in its droppings. A squirrel scurries to gather up acorns and bury them to eat later. But does it use all the food it collects? No. Lost acorns can grow into strong, shady oak trees. Burdock seeds stick to sleeves and socks. They cling to feathers and fur. We carry them as we hike through the woods and drop them off in new places. I've definitely had those on me before when I've went hiking. People buy seeds from garden shops. Friends and neighbors trade them and share. Plants and seeds travel on ships, trains, and airplanes. Seeds on the move zoom over oceans, across cities and countries, around the world. People plant seeds in gardens and flower pots. They tend the seedlings and watch them grow. Sprouts, shoots, leaves, and roots. Flowers bloom and new seeds form, beginning the cycle again. And these are just pictures of all the different seeds, some that were in the book, some that were not. This is just a flower, and it shows you the stem and the leaves and the flower petals. And that's a nut and has a little sprout coming out of it. I bet you know what that is.